The Save Our Indian River Lagoon program started a community involvement program called Lagoon Loyal, where we give residents different actions they can do to add to the projects that we're already doing to help the lagoon. We've had a lot of great community involvement in this program, and we wanted to try to encourage more. So this summer we held a contest to see which communities could do the most actions to help the lagoon during the month of August. So we had 58 different communities that participated in the competition, and they completed over 320 actions altogether. The top 3 communities that completed the most actions were then chosen to receive a pollution-reducing garden feature for their community. One of our winners, the community of River Groves in Rockledge, selected to install a pollinator garden at the Frank T. Forrester Recreation Center.
We're here in Rockledge installing a native butterfly garden in a bed that used to be sod. We removed all the sod and we're planting native plants in place of it. We have a combination of plants ranging from shrubs to wildflowers, everything from firebush, Bahama cassia. We have milkweeds in there, we have wild petunias, twin flowers, a lot of host plants, and we also have nectar sources for the butterflies. So some of those hosts include the twin flower and the milkweed, and some of the sources of nectar would be like your red sage, lyre-leaf sage, coreopsis, things like that.
Garden features like this one can help the lagoon because they're an area where stormwater runoff from hard areas like sidewalks and building roofs can drain into, and the plants in those gardens then help remove the harmful nitrogen and phosphorus pollution that can feed algae blooms.
All the plants in this design are Florida native plants, and they're also native to our ecoregion. So we try to think about the area that we're designing for when we're designing and what would naturally occur, look aesthetically pleasing, and how we can arrange those in a way that would make it look like a nice garden. So there's a lot of benefits of using native plants. One being that you're using less water, you're using less fertilizer, so those are great benefits for the lagoon. Other reasons is they support our native pollinators. So these plants evolved with our pollinators, so to speak, so our pollinators know what to look for and how to gravitate towards these native plants.
There's other actions you can do around your home besides installing garden features. You can reduce or eliminate your use of herbicide and fertilizer, and make sure that you're not overwatering your lawn and that your sprinkler heads are pointed away from all the hard surfaces so they don't add to the stormwater runoff. Visit lagoonloyal.com to find out more ways you can join all of us to get to a healthier lagoon faster.